Introducing Tron Smart Contract. In this video, we are going to look in depth at Tron Protocol. Blockchain is a distributed accounting system. In a blockchain system, there can be thousands of nodes, each of which independently stores the same ledger. If new transaction data is to be written into the ledger, approvals from these nodes are needed. Achieving this goal in an untrusted distributed environment is a complicated systematic quest. In order to ensure that honest and reliable nodes can jointly supervise the transaction data written into the ledgers, each blockchain system needs to build its own consensus, which is equivalent to the constitution of the blockchain. As long as the vast majority of nodes comply with the consensus requirements, it is able to guarantee the results will certainly be credible, even in an untrusted distributed environment. Therefore, the significance of the consensus is that the honest nodes in the blockchain can ultimately achieve the agreement of the ledgers as long as they strictly abide by this consensus. There are several types of consensus, and the most commonly used are POW, POS, and DPoS. Definitely, different blockchain systems will have a unique way of implementation. This article will mainly introduce the DPoS consensus on which Tron based. We will also explain the basic components and mechanisms of DPoS. Follow us on Facebook to get to know more about the Tron Smart Contract and the exciting financial opportunities provided by Tron.